Hi guys, welcome to our channel GA Programmer. In this video you can learn basic concepts of Python.
A little reminder for you guys, Python is easy to use but demands patience to learn, so we will post quite short but plenty of videos. After our course you will be able to create your own Telegram bot, I assure you.
So let's start our lesson. First of all, we need to download Python itself, and we can download it from Python's original website. And this is python.org. Well, you see there is a latest version of Python. You can download it from here. But I don't need it because I already have. And in addition, you can also use some other open source code editors for easy understanding. For example, PyCharm, Visual Studio, Bracket, or Sublime Text. I will go with PyCharm and because it's easy and it helps with optimization of codes. You can download PyCharm and use it for free. Let me tell you about the advantages of PyCharm more in detail. First and foremost, it advises valid code when you start to type. Second, running process is quite fast. Moreover, it indicates current mistakes of yours.
After downloading the Python, we will go into the file idle. So as you can see, there is a space to type and it has an intelligence, so you can check it. For example, if you type 8 plus 7, it gives you 15. But we won't write codes here, we won't use it because it is uncomfortable. We rather use new file. We can write as much as codes we want, we can set conditions and we can create loops and also we can open files. But there is a little disadvantage when you write code in a new file. You cannot know your mistakes while writing. It will be shown when you run the program.
Okay, there is a PyCharm and we need to create a new project, and then we will click on the create button. Then it's loading process, and here is some information about PyCharm and Python. You can read this information for your own, but we don't need it because I already know it, so I will delete. And let's write our first code. It will be print. It's one of the primitive and most used code in Python. Print helps you to execute your text to an outcome. Traditionally, we start with the word hello world. There is one vital thing you need to know first. It is data type. Basically, there are 6 types of data. They are integer, string, float, complex, function, and boolean. But today we just start with learning string data type.
As you see the pattern of my writing, you can notice that I wrote the word between quotes. It means that I'm writing string data type. String data type can also be described as a word data type, but not completely. Sometimes numbers can be written inside the quotation marks and consider it as a string.
When I write 8 plus 7 and then when I run the program, console will show us just hello world because we don't give order to show us the result of 8 plus 7. So what we will do, we will write print. We will write just a minute. Right, print 8 plus 7. And then again we will run the program, and in this time console will show us hello world 15. This means Python understood our order. But sometimes we need just write 8 plus 7 to see 8 plus 7. So we will just put a quote and Python will give us the 8 plus 7, because Python will think that it's string data type.
Guys, it's the end of our first lesson, and we hope you have learned some basic concepts about Python. And we will keep going this pace. Moreover, I want to tell you the golden rule. Guys, you have to train yourself. Training is the key. Not everyone has a talent for coding, but everyone can do hard work. And please subscribe our channel and like the video to support us, and share it with your friends. As you know, the algorithm of YouTube is based on likes, videos and comments. See you guys, wait for the next lesson.